Have you ever stopped to consider the hidden world of trees? These majestic beings play a vital role in the natural world, providing vital resources, such as oxygen, shade, and habitat for other species. But there is so much more to trees than meets the eye. In the documentary, The Secret Life of Trees, we are given a glimpse into the hidden world of trees, and the important role they play in the ecosystem, from the ways that they communicate and interact with other species, to the complex ecosystems they support. This video delves into the fascinating world of trees and the vital role they play in our planet's health. Before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. 1. The role of trees in the ecosystem. Trees play a vital role in the natural world, providing vital resources such as oxygen, shade, and habitat for other species. But their importance goes far beyond these basic functions. Trees are integral to the health of our planet and the various ecosystems they support. One of the most remarkable things about trees is their ability to communicate and interact with other species. They do this through their roots, leaves, and chemical signals. For example, when a tree is under attack by insects, it can release chemicals that attract predatory insects to defend against the attack. Trees can also share nutrients and water with each other through their root systems, a process known as interplant communication. In addition to supporting the various plants and animals that rely on them for survival, trees also play a crucial role in the complex ecosystems they inhabit. They provide vital resources such as shelter, food, and habitat for a wide range of species. For example, a single oak tree can provide habitat for over 500 different species of insects, birds, and mammals. Trees also provide vital resources for humans, such as oxygen, shade, and a sense of well-being. They help to reduce air pollution and mitigate the urban heat island effect. And they can increase property values and support local economies through tourism and recreation. It's clear that trees play a vital role in the health of our planet and the various ecosystems they support. 2. The many benefits of trees. Trees help to reduce air pollution by absorbing carbon dioxide and other harmful gases from the air. They also help to mitigate the urban heat island effect by providing shade and releasing water vapor through their leaves, which can help to cool the air and lower temperatures in urban areas. They also provide a sense of well-being and can improve mental health by providing a natural environment for relaxation and contemplation. Studies have shown that spending time in nature, including around trees, can reduce stress and improve mental health. The economic benefits of trees are also significant. Trees can increase property values and support local economies through tourism and recreation. For example, a well-maintained park with mature trees can attract more visitors and provide economic benefits to the local community. Trees also hold great cultural and spiritual significance in many traditions around the world. They are often seen as symbols of life, fertility, and wisdom, and they have played a central role in many cultural and spiritual rituals and traditions. 3. Threats to trees. Unfortunately, trees face numerous threats that can have serious consequences for both the trees themselves and the wider ecosystem. These threats include deforestation, climate change, and pollution. Deforestation, or the clearing of forests, is a major threat to trees. This can occur for a variety of reasons, including the conversion of forests to agricultural land, the harvesting of timber, and the expansion of urban areas. Deforestation can have serious consequences for the trees themselves, as well as the various plants and animals that rely on them for survival. It can also contribute to climate change by releasing carbon stored in trees into the atmosphere. Climate change is another major threat to trees. As temperatures rise and weather patterns become more extreme, trees are at risk of drought, pests, and other environmental stresses. This can weaken trees and make them more susceptible to disease and death. Pollution is another threat to trees. Pollutants in the air and water can harm trees and weaken their immune systems, making them more susceptible to disease and death. 4. What we can do to help. There are many ways that individuals can take action to protect and preserve trees in their own communities. Here are a few tips for how to get involved. 1. Plant trees in your own yard or community. Choose the right species for your location, and be sure to properly water and mulch your trees. 2. Support organizations that work to protect and preserve trees. This can involve donating money or time to organizations that work on tree planting initiatives or conservation efforts. 3. Be mindful of your consumption habits. Look for products made from sustainably sourced wood. And consider supporting companies that use eco-friendly practices. 4. Educate yourself and others about the importance of trees and the threats they face. Share what you learn with your friends and family. And encourage others to take action to protect and preserve trees. By taking small steps to protect and preserve trees, we can make a big impact and help ensure that these vital beings continue to thrive in our communities and the wider world. By taking action to protect and preserve trees in our own communities and supporting organizations that work to protect and preserve trees, we can help ensure that these vital beings continue to thrive in our world. So let's take action to protect and preserve trees, for the many benefits they provide and for the health of our planet and future generations. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.